Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BigQuery scheduled queries for automation step by step clearly. To activate BigQuery scheduled queries for automation, begin by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Select the project that contains your dataset. In the left-hand menu, click on BigQuery to open the BigQuery interface. Locate the dataset for which you want to create a scheduled query. Click on the Create button and select Scheduled Query from the drop-down menu. In the Scheduled Query creation window, provide a name for your query. Optionally, add a description to help identify the purpose of this query. Next, enter the SQL query you wish to automate in the query editor. Choose the destination table where the results will be saved. Set the frequency of the scheduled query under the Schedule section. You can select from predefined intervals or set a custom schedule using CRON syntax. If needed, enable email notifications for query success or failure. Review all settings to ensure they align with your requirements. Once all details are confirmed, click the Create button to establish the scheduled query. Your scheduled query will now appear under the Scheduled Queries section. Monitor the execution and results directly from the BigQuery interface. Adjust settings or edit queries as necessary by selecting your scheduled query and making changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.